light. I'm excited but so freaking tired and nervous because this is my first time traveling internationally by myself. I've made it to the Gen.g Valorant apartment. This is where I will be staying for the next week. It's pretty simple. A little bed and there's a lot of storage. There's also this Valorant water bottle. The bathroom. I'm getting ready and doing my makeup. Last night I took a shower after I met with some of the team. I slept at like 9:30, 10 and I woke up at like 5 a.m. Put everything in my schedule for the next few days so that I have an idea of how much time I have. This is the fit. It's not raining, but it's still very gloomy. I was gonna eat it at the store, but it literally started raining right when I walked in. I got a cold brew with banana milk, this onigiri, some chips. That's really good. Hey man, banana milk coffee.
Oh my goodness. Wait, do they have some wrappers?
They do. I'm getting ready for the Gen.g party. I think they have a game today that we're watching. We're at the event with Gen.g right now. We're shooting some content for stands and my shorts. Back and showered. I'm really tired. I think the jet lag is hitting me. I washed my face and I'm gonna try this. I know you're supposed to let it sit for a little bit, but I'm too tired. I think I'm gonna edit until Good morning. It's almost 8 a.m. right now. I'm about to head out to a cafe. My call time is at 11 and it's only 8, so I'm gonna walk around the city and chill for a little bit. Gen.g HQ and we're filming a tour today.
It's kind of an area that we can like kind of hang out.
literally me and Cheddar. Weather like this always reminds me of Davis. We're at Haika Ground, and this is the venue for Riot's World's Playground event. I don't have any activations here, so I'm just enjoying my time. Oh, they have little animals.
Just run into him. So you just go Korean? That's so good.
We're at the LOL Park. Everything's so cool here. All the big figures and then a shop. They have like banners for every single team around, I think, the arena. It's just so freaking cool. This part is like Bilgewater themed. And there's Riot. I just got back. I am so beyond pooped. I've been awake since 4:30 a.m. and I just can't go back to sleep. My little adventure. The Americano is fucking different. Slightly sweet, a little bit of hazelnut flavor. It doesn't dry out my mouth. Every time I have any Americano in America, it dries the fuck out of my mouth. I got some snacks from the convenience store. And look at what I found. Of course, you know why I bought it. There's vitamin C in it too. I didn't know it was buy two, get one free, but I got 3 of these almond things. World Market had one of these, but in like a packet this big, and it was super expensive, and I remember loving it. Which is so cute. I got the taffy bunny. Oh, it's so cute. I got the little cat. They gave us this for free. I got 2 of these for me and Colin. It's a little Timo hat. I'm heading out now. We're doing tourist day today.
Thank you. Is there caffeine?
I can tell it from your reaction.
With the desserts, it'll be good. They're so sweet.
They're so sweet. Oh, the mango. Yeah.
It tastes like candy.
Yeah. It's very fluffy. We talk. We're
at the market. We're filming some content, and I'm really tired of sweets. And then I think we're going to the Gen.g game after. We just finished the market and I got a peach tea. And now we're waiting for a taxi to go to the Gen.g G2 game. Yeah!
National flags and cheer.
Good morning. Yesterday was the last day of the content shoots with the team. It was amazing. Honestly felt like a bonding trip and they were just super fun to hang out with. Today is one of my free days. I'm getting my hair done first by Sunsiki hair salon. I'm gonna go shopping. I'm really light and this is the only big jacket that I brought and it's really cold. Just this little Nike bag windbreaker, except it's broken in so it's really soft. Cropped cardigan with a little... I feel like I've been very bad at vlogging this whole trip because I've been trying to make as many shorts as possible. It's also really hard to do it alone. Good morning, 7:30. I just went with Stans to go to the streaming room because I have to do a sponsored stream tomorrow morning. I also put band-aids on some of my bug bites. Obviously not all of them, I have like 14. So I'm really going through it right now. Oh, I forgot. It's like strawberry. keychain for Colin. Big soju bottle with pork belly for Daniel. Got these stickers for Corey. I just got Colin 2 Smithskis. I think they were 8,001 each. Gentle Monster. A pair of Sonys that he's been wanting. I got one for Jess. And then I got one for myself. Before I came home, I bought literally just a thing of ice. Day. And I'm gonna go shower. God! Thank you for the 6 months.